In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted files from Google Drive. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking this video so others can find it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is to open up our Google Drive. And what you're going to do after you see this page is to select the trash can that you see right here on the left. So here you're going to see every single file, picture, image that you have deleted. But please remember that files are only going to stay on your trash can for 30 days. So if you don't see a file that you deleted, it's because it's probably been longer than 30 days. So let's say I want to recover this picture. All that I have to do is to click on the three dots right here. And I'm going to click on restore if I want to bring it back. Now, if I go back to my main page, I'm going to be able to see the picture that I just deleted. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye.